Hi everyone! In this video I'd like to show you how we've just made it easier for technology suppliers to sign up for our platform and create a first technology page. From our homepage, go to the top right where you see the area for suppliers, and from there you can simply hit the button Get Started. This takes you to our pricing page where you can select one of our 3 packages that we have selected for you, and you can choose either between monthly payment or yearly payment, whatever you prefer. So let's choose monthly. Select a pack. After selecting the main pack, you can choose between our add-ons. These are optional. Select the add-on you prefer. If you then scroll down, you see immediately what your recurring cost will be and what your one-time cost will be for your add-on. You can then hit Submit and complete the registration process. Here you enter your details. Don't forget to accept our terms, sign up, and start building your page.
Thank you, and see you on the platform.